Welcome to Botany Bay in Kent. This is undoubtedly one of the most spectacular and photogenic spots on England's south coast. Here, the monumental white chalk cliffs meet the pristine blue of the North Sea, creating a view that takes your breath away every single time. Perched on the very edge of the bay is the magnificent Kingsgate Castle. Built in the 1760s for Lord Holland, it's fascinating to note that it originally served as the estate's stables. Today, following extensive renovation, it stands as one of the most prestigious and elite private residences in this part of the UK. These unique rock formations have long attracted more than just tourists. They are a magnet for world-class filmmakers. Botany Bay has served as a backdrop for many famous productions. You might recognize these incredible landscapes from films like Sherlock Holmes or the dark thriller Legend. If you appreciate high-quality drone cinematography and want to explore more incredible locations in 4K with me, now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button. Your support helps this channel grow. Join the Giraffe official community. The name Botany Bay itself hides a dark but fascinating history. It dates back to the era of smugglers who were frequently caught here by the Coast Guard. For their crimes, they were then deported to the infamous penal colony at Botany Bay in far-off Australia. Admiring these monumental cliffs from the air is always an incredible experience. I hope you enjoyed this cinematic journey. Thanks for being with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.